Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jay's Happy Learning. Today we are going to learn the sound of G. What is the sound of G? G says G, G, and G is for G, G, grapes. Gift, G, G, gift. Goal, G, G, goal. Goat, G, G, goat. Glass, G, G, glass. Grass, G, G, grass. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like. Bye kids.